Hi, welcome to OUMERE, and I'm Wendy, and these are the 4 routines that you can follow depending on your skin type. This routine is for men using OUMERE Skin Care who would characterize their skin as normal. If you shave in the morning, we recommend using number 9 in the evening, as there needs to be a 4-hour buffer between shaving and exfoliation to prevent skin irritation. The first step in your routine is to apply UVR. UVR is your age-reversing serum because of its high concentration of plant extracts that prevent and clean up the damage of aging all the way down to the cellular level. Apply about 10 to 15 drops to clean hands and press into the skin. You can use as much UVR as you desire. Wait 1 minute to allow the serum to seep into the skin. After 1 minute, apply Serum Bioluminelle. Serum Bioluminelle is your balancing and moisturizing serum, and its biological formula will balance your oil levels, lock in hydration, and brighten the skin. Shake the bottle side to side to mix the oil and water layers. Once thoroughly mixed, dispense about a dime-sized amount of Serum Bioluminelle to your hands and press the serum into the skin. At this point, you are ready to apply the sunscreen of your choice.